Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to find out how many characters are in a string. In Python programming, we use len function to get the length of a string. For example, I have name here, name variable, and you see our value is John. So how many characters they have? It's 3 characters. For finding this, I can use len function. Here, inside the print function, I use len function, and within the parentheses, I just give my variable. What's the name of my variable? Is name. If I run it, you see 3 appears on the screen. Here, the len function always returns the total number of characters in a string. This function is simple and widely used in Python programming. Super. See you in the next lesson.